Sir, you were here in Bowling Green, and I noticed you on the corner, and you look very interested. Did you know we would be out here, or is this the first time you've seen the Bloodstained Men? And tell me what you thought.
Well, the Bloodstained Men was the first thing I saw, and I actually talked to the two over there and said that they messed up my circumcision when I was a baby, and I had to get it redone at the age of 7.
Wow.
So they I got like nipped.
So you've got a lot of painful memories.
Oh yeah, yeah, and still, you know, if it rubs, you know, it's tender subject, but yeah, I don't agree with it. And if they want to do it, they should. If they don't, then don't. I say no.
And so then you came over and took pictures, and you wanted a picture with the Bloodstained Men.
Of course.
Have you heard of the Bloodstained Men before?
I've never heard of the Bloodstained Men, not till today.
Well, we'll give you an information card, and just tell your friends. And this is about this generation of men and women standing up for our children and our grandchildren, and stopping it.
Right on.
And what was your name, sir?
Zachariah.
Zachariah. Well, thank you for joining Bloodstained Men on the front lines here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
No problem. Thank you.